today that I'm really excited about doing, because I have actually been using this product way before it was sent to me as a sponsored review. I've been using it for about 1.5 years and I totally love it. It is an electric toothbrush from Fairywill. I actually got one of these as a gift about 1.5 years ago, and I use it as my travel toothbrush. I'm so impressed. I'm a really big fan, and so that's why I can really confidently suggest it to you guys, because I use it myself. I have used it way before this review ever came about, so I know that it's a great product and I know it's something that you are going to love. This model in particular is, again, from Fairywill. You can check them out on Facebook, Fairywill, or fairywill.com. This is their Sonic Electric Toothbrush Model 507. It says right here, Sonic technology, 40,000 strokes per minute. I don't know if that's a lot or not, but it sounds like it's a lot. 40,000 per minute, that's crazy. So it's got 5 different modes: white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. So dynamic cleaning by Sonic technology. There's a 2-minute smart timer. I'm gonna take a break right here for a second from, obviously this is a great toothbrush, it's got all the Sonic technology, all of the brush strokes per minute, but I will tell you the biggest improvement in my life from using an electric toothbrush is just having that 2-minute timer, because you know that you're brushing your teeth for long enough, you know it's gonna be 2 minutes, and it's something that you can set and forget, and you can use that 2 minutes for whatever you want, instead of trying to like sing row your boat, or focus on like how long has it been, have I brushed everything exactly enough. This is going to give you 2 minutes that you can use for whatever you want, like I said, but I always try to use them really mindfully, and I can tell you that it has a huge impact on the rest of my day. In the morning I use that 2 minutes to kind of set my intention for the day. What do I want to accomplish? What do I want my goals to be? And then at night I try to think of good things that happened that day that just put me in a really grateful, happy mood before bed, kind of focus on the positives. So I know that kind of sounds cheesy and a small thing, but having that smart timer on your toothbrush can make a really big difference if you use those 2 mindful minutes, really 4 throughout the day, 4 minutes that you have to just, you don't have to think about how long you've been brushing your teeth. You can use that really productively, and that's something that I try to do, and I really have had success with it. So I love that smart timer aspect of it. That's something that a lot of electric toothbrushes have. This next one is something that my other electric toothbrush that I use does not have, and I really love this about the Fairywill. It has a 30 seconds interval pause reminding. So basically every 30 seconds it's going to kind of have an interval pause, so you know to maybe switch. If you split your mouth into quadrants, you've got like 30 seconds on the bottom, 30 seconds on the top, 30 seconds top, 30 seconds bottom, and you make sure that you get everything relatively all around the same time, which I think is super helpful. I love that they have included that. It really tells me that they thought of everything and they built this toothbrush with just everything in mind. It's rechargeable and it has a long-lasting power. I'm sure the power is probably different for the different modes that you use, but I can tell you that I rarely ever have to charge mine. It just lasts forever and ever. I'm so impressed with that battery. It's crazy. It's also another really cool part of this is it's waterproof for your shower, your bath. They say not to submerge it underwater, so don't do that, and I don't know why you would do that, but I'll tell you, more often than not, I end up using mine in the shower because hot water is amazing. And so if you can kind of brush your teeth while you're standing under the hot water, that's a great way to wake up in the morning. I do that most mornings, honestly, love it. Also it says right here, just with any comparing it to a regular manual toothbrush, you're going to remove up to 100% more plaque in a week's time, improve your gum health in just 2 weeks, and achieve noticeably whiter teeth in just 2 weeks. I can say anecdotally, all of that is totally true. I know that these have been approved by a lot of different dentistry associations. and they'll tell you all of the really great advantages of using an electric toothbrush. All of that is going to be totally obvious to you when you use one, and when you switch from a manual toothbrush, you're never going to want to go back to using the manual one after you've used one of these. It's got a unique design of tooth-waved bristles for thorough cleaning of gums and hard-to-reach areas. Again, the 2-minute smart timer and the endable pause reminder every 30 seconds. Totally love that. The waterproof for shower and bath, my second favorite feature probably. And it's got a USB charging port, like I mentioned, and the charge lasts forever and ever and ever. Again, I've been using this for about a year and a half, and it came to me as a gift, and I would definitely recommend getting this for someone as a gift because, first of all, everybody wears a size toothbrush, and everybody needs a toothbrush, so it also just comes in this really cool box. I'll kind of get close. Ooh, that chair is very creaky. I'll kind of get closer so I can show you guys what I mean. It just has really good like box feel. I don't know if that's a word, but it's just something that kind of already looks like a present or a gift. Anybody would be really excited to get this and open it up. Even if you're just getting it for yourself, I know you're going to be excited when you open it up. It's got a little ribbon here. You press, bam, check it out. Super cool. As you can see, all the brush heads coming with it. Your USB cable comes under in the box. But this is your toothbrush. I love it. I love the look of it. I love anything, like I like more black and dark colors. I've always kind of gravitated towards that, or a gray or a navy, but the black looks so cool, and it's this like, I don't know how well you can tell under the lights, but it's like a matte black and kind of gold in the center. It just looks really, really nice. Really slick toothbrush. The only thing I can say that's bad about it, and it's probably not a bad thing, is that just remember to wash off kind of the residue. My other toothbrush is white and never have that problem, but with this one, I can always kind of see like residue from my toothpaste on it, so make sure you wipe this one off or rinse it off right after you're done thoroughly. But yeah, I love it. Big fan of this. Was so excited to share it with you guys. I know that you're going to be too. Get one for yourself, get one for a friend, get an extra one because they're really inexpensive, and Fairywill, I don't even know how they do it, but they provide such great quality at a really affordable price point. So like I said, I use this one for travel. So if you need an extra toothbrush for travel, definitely consider it. Again, Fairywill, I love them. Check them out on Facebook, fairywill.com. I know that this is a product that you're gonna love. I know it's gonna be a product that you can give as a gift, and whoever you give it to is going to love it. Leave us your comments below, like, subscribe, hit your notification bell. Send me an email at 911rockstars@gmail.com if you would like to do a sponsored review. We'd love to work with you. We'd love to check out what you have and see if we want to share with our audience. You guys are great. Thank you so much. Stay safe, be well, have a wonderful evening, enjoy, and I will see you soon. Adios, amigos.
Thanks for shopping with us on Rockstar Reviews, a page dedicated to style, fashion, shopping, and fun.
Like this. $1,000.
Make sure to subscribe for more content, including hauls and reviews. If you're interested in having us review your product, email me directly. There's a link in the description below.